We welcome our new hero. Follow Mert Yazıcıoğlu on Instagram. Welcome him with pride, because this isn't just an announcement, it's the birth of a legend. A new sun rises over the lands once ruled by Osman Bey, but this time it shines on his blood, his legacy, his son. The legendary Kuruluş Osman series has reached its final chapter. After 7 seasons of epic battles, unshakable brotherhoods, betrayals that shook empires, and sacrifices carved in blood, the curtain has finally fallen on the era of Osman Bey. But just when the world believed the story had ended, something even greater begins. This is the rise of Orhan Ghazi. Subscribe now, where legends live on and new heroes rise. Turn on the bell icon so you never miss a moment of the next historical masterpiece. It's official. Producer Mehmet Bozdağ, the mastermind behind the Kuruluş universe, has made the announcement himself. On his verified Instagram account, he wrote, "A new era is beginning, the era of Osman Bey's son, Orhan Ghazi." And with that single line, the hearts of millions trembled. No longer do we walk in the footsteps of Osman Bey, the warrior who forged a nation from dust and faith. Now we march behind Orhan Bey, a lion born of fire, a son of a dreamer, and an heir to an empire. And who will bring this mighty character to life? None other than the fiercely talented actor Mert Yazıcıoğlu. This is not just a casting choice. It's a torch, passed from the hands of a father who built a dream to the hands of a son who will carry it through fire and storm. In the words of Bozdag himself, this is the beginning of a new hope, a new spirit, and a new history. We welcome our new hero and ask for your prayers. And yes, we stand with him, in faith, in love, in battle. To every true fan of Kuruluş Osman, your support is needed once again. Go follow Mert Yazıcıoğlu. Welcome him like a warrior. Let the world see the story is not over. It has just begun. Welcome, Orhan Ghazi. This isn't just another season. It's not a spin-off. It's not a sequel. This is the birth of a sultan, a flame of destiny, and the continuation of a dream that began with Ertuğrul Gazi and lived through Osman Bey. Where Kuruluş Osman ended in glory, Yüceliş Orhan will begin in fire. A new battle, a new generation, new heartbreaks, new triumphs. And with every episode, we will witness the forging of a leader who will reshape the world. So prepare your hearts. The drums of history beat again. The banners rise. The wind carries the call of warriors, and the soil remembers the footsteps of legends. And now it welcomes a new one, Orhan Ghazi. Subscribe now for exclusive updates, behind-the-scenes moments, and deep dives into the world of Turkish historical dramas. Don't just watch history. Feel it, live it, share it. The journey continues, and this time, it's personal.